My people, I don't bring on a latest update from Bobrisky and James Brown. Hey, this one, my people, I don't even know wetin I go even call this one. Una know when Papa die, he can't leave two brothers. then they can't leave pieces of land. This one can't be like say they fight for inheritance. Hey, don't be smart, you know. Now James Brown don't come outside. They give us hot, and now my people, all the secrets on the leak. According to James Brown, to say Bobrisky call him, and when Bobrisky call him, immediately say now they are normal level now, like the parrot things now. Even though say na warning Bobrisky, even they come warn am, Bobrisky tell am say make it stop the cross-dressing way they cross-dress, make it not the copy in brand. In fact, many things, even threatening to kill am. My people, no be small matter. As they talk to Nana, they don't even block James from Instagram. And people they talk say na Bobrisky hand because Bobrisky don't already they threaten her. My people, I beg. No be from my mouth when I go, yes, say crayfish don't bend. Biko, now why I bring her? Make you join me, make we watch the video.
Hey darling, it's your boy James Brown. Can you believe what happened this afternoon? Bobrisky reached out to me. I thought he wanted to greet me, hurt me. Bobrisky threatened me that I should leave whatever I'm doing. Any content on my page that I should leave it, that I'm copying his content. Please, I want to ask you guys, am I copying Bobrisky content? He even threatened to kill me. Oh, look at my baby, oh my dick, me. I'm serious, I was shocked. Because I actually love Bobrisky. So is it bad for, I was like, please, Bobrisky, I will never fight with you. I repeat, I will never fight with you because I see you as an elder. But all I want to do is walking like there's some elder that don't want your whole go to go. If it is not okay you want Bobrisky, I am ready to give it to you.
Hey, my people. No, wait till we go call this one now. Wait till we eliminate, because no, see men, two grown-up men, they fight for woman position. Hey, like one more. I beg, when this country they go, see people when we even not be the agenda. They Bobrisky, you be woman, you dey come fight person, you dey threaten person on top. Hey, even me where I be woman, self shame they catch me for una. My people no be smart thing. Una don't hear am from the horse's mouth. Wow. Even James now confused. James don't know which place to put Bobrisky. No, una no hear am for the video. If first say they fear anything. And wait, even using your mouth call Bobrisky. Oh, I beg, isn't a he? They later change the thing, say baby girl. I beg, which one we they accept? He, I be baby girl. My people now, as I they talk to now, James Brown, don't talk say they fear to go prison. Because Bobrisky even tell and say go send her, they go lock him up. He say you don't enter prison how many times? Say that one no be in problem now. My people, Bobrisky now, he dey hot. Bobrisky dey on fire. You know even see Bobrisky no one lose this in position no, because now everybody don't know Bobrisky as the new lady, and now him dey threatened. He dey threatened because this guy now he don't dey all over social media. Everybody don't know James Brown, so the thing now call the pepper Bobrisky body because if care no dey now. Before you know it now, Bobrisky don't come off for page. Now only James Brown will go there. You understand? I beg, because I get word for this. Wait till be name Bob. My bros, come outside because me and you. They say that they see you as an elder. Now they say you don't turn agbalagba be that too. I beg. This cross-dressing thing where you won't keep person for now your own. Not be you. Wait, you not copy am from person. So anybody threaten you after you copy them. So now you don't come outside. You even block person Instagram. You even, in fact, my people, I don't know what to do to this man. For this una age, una supposed to sit down, they look for work. Una those day, they cause commotion, cause confusion for internet. Everybody just, my people, I beg. Who get Bobrisky? I beg, who get Bobrisky mama number, papa number? Because I need call them. Before you know now, you go just hear say person don't die. Imagine say this guy die now by mistake, James. You know problem wey this guy don carry for head because he don threaten am. So if anything happen to James now, na Bobrisky o. Una suppose dey careful with the way una dey mouth dey powerful. Abeg bring this one outside, James, Oga James. Bros, who are you? No, because police arrest you before. You tell police say you be dancer. Now Bobrisky don come threaten you. You say you no be crossdresser again. Say you be comedian. Very soon now you go come tell us say you be person father. Abeg who you be? Because me I need know my people. I don confuse. Who be this boy? Hi, Chineke. So Instagram now look like police station. You person threaten you, they come outside, they disturb all of us, they kill our battery, they waste our data. You know where police station they see if you and Bobrisky have issues, settle it like two men. Fight. That is what men do. No come outside when they she didn't say no be crossdresser again, but her nail still long. Now wow. Now people be like say last where all the ladies? We go stop the fix nails, we go stop the do hair for these two. May they carry on. Because me myself now I don't know whether I be woman again. My people not be smart, you know. Now so these people just decide say they go scatter our head. Now I say make I bring her come, but not be the only matter where they ground. My people are they talk to now. Hey, this one are not that case. Burna Boy and Shatta Wale. Oh, many of una too like they sleep. Una no notice where they shell for Ghana, Nigeria. Now bomb. Imagine, I just say many of una no song where they do now Hosanna, Shatta Wale and Burna Boy. My people, they according to Shatta Wale now, he say that period when Burna Boy come Ghana, saying 3 times where he give her house, he give her car, in fact, nothing where Shatta Wale no mention. Everything wey he do for Burna Boy, he pour am out. Wow. Now, it be like say Burna Boy don't vex because normal level brotherly code, you understand, you not supposed break am. So Burna Boy now don't they avoid Shatta Wale. If they ignore am, you know even they mind am again. So Shatta Wale don't vex my people. Now he go expose everything. My people, I beg go. I say make I bring am come for on a table. No be only me go swallow this hot eba. Because make we listen to the Shatta himself, King Papa. Because make we watch the video.
You understand? You come hustle day inside for your feel. I see. Me and you take trips. Me and you do shit. You know what I'm saying? So if you get problem, if you link me. You get me? If you call me your nigga. Me and you get this problem. I don't go be like a pussy, like a bitch. Then you won't go this on my, top shot test them out there. Yo, Bernard, everywhere you moving in Ghana, I know about it. Like everywhere you did right now, me, I know. You understand me? Because this is my turf. Like the same way, if I come like that way, you say you know everywhere I did, I would trust you for that. You get me? So anybody you talk to, it go like this. I did hear, yeah. Me in Ghana be this. Me, I be like MTN for Ghana. The networks to go through me. Fucking everybody.
Shatta Wale, no wonder Burna Boy they ignore you. See the kind of thing where this guy they bring out for him mouth. When you go help person if you don't say tomorrow you go carry him carry him outside? Why? If you do something with your heart, nobody need no say you do this thing. You know how many people don't help people for this life when nobody even hear them till today. Even you yourself, as you don't watch me like this, I should say many people don't help you for this your music career when we don't even know. Why you go treat your fellow? No, Africa, and the problem what we get for Africa. Seriously, many white people go they fight. You know, go even most times we don't even know the reason why they fight. But Africa, everything. In fact, una just the wow. The Hosanna song now, where this guy come outside, they brag, they talk anyhow. How many people know? That song, not only for Ghana, the thing trend. No, I dey tell you check Nigeria. How many people know say this song exists? No, when you talk some kind of things, you do your research, find out. You understand? You go do good for person, they announce them for public. My people see, I know they judge, I know they support. You understand? My own be say, make we call a spade. Wetin Shatta Wale talk, e no good. E no good. I still they talk. Anybody will get, if you get problem with them, Come, make we battle her for the comment section. Shatta Wale not too good. So now I get word for King Shatta, Biko, come outside. Bros, you fall my hand. You see this hand? You fall am by in fact, how did they talk her for 3? I don't even sabi talk about. See, you fall my hand. You break brotherly code. You buy her, you give her a house, you give her this one, you give her this one. See, make we even assume say all these things when you talk now true. Okay, say you do am, say this one, this one, this one. You do am. So wetin can happen? You too get bad. Like your mouth no fit just close. Now why nobody even like you? This thing you do am with Stonebwoy. You do am with Sarkodie. Only you Shatta Wale fit fight everybody. In fact, no. Now why people no easily they trust am? See the kind thing we they do. Burna Boy for now when no even know. All this always Shatta Wale they talk say he help am. He even talk say Burna Boy been dey struggle. Burna Boy no dey struggle. My people, both financially, musically, Burna Boy, oh, it be like so I don't know who be this guy. He dey loaded. African mentality, Africans like they think say if you do person good, person don't automatically turn your slave. Africa, no, try am. Make person just do you good. That person now go they expect make you greet am, make you understand, make you they treat am like saying a king. Bros, you are not the first person to help somebody. So Biko, swallow that your pride, make you enter inside. You understand? We no need them. I don't tire. Shatta Wale, your matter don't tire me. And if you not take time, I cannot talk with them my mouth. See, my people, friendship no be by force. Now, Burna Boy they ignore am, they pain am. Biko, anybody will ignore you, ignore am. Anybody will post you, post am. Anybody will date you, date am. No be by force. Why you won't carry this now for your head like say they born you and this guy together? Wetin happen? Abeg, Burna Boy, Biko, I not say you dey hear me like this. You be my man. See, ignore who you want ignore. Nobody they feed you. But make you learn your lesson. You understand? You don't say this person now. Anything we do for you, you must go outside. So next time, if you dey work with them, wisdom. You understand? I don't give you wisdom now. I beg, I want to wait to be your comment for this comment section where they down there as they say. Share this video, make it go viral, make everybody know what they happen for this house and between Shatta and Burna Boy. Don't go far, guys. I'll see you later.